Hello everyone. Today we will continue our lesson, but before we continue our lesson, I would like you to practice one word, okay? This one, wish. So I will test you about our lesson before that we learned already 3 lessons. The first one, we need to typing our text. After that, we need to do the shadow and stroke, alright? So let's do it. Even good or not good, but you need to try it. So you need to open your Photoshop program, and after that you need to create the new page or new artwork. Okay, that we need to open the new page, that we click Ctrl N, and you need to put the size of your paper. Remember, this one solution is 300 and vertical or horizontal page. Okay, the background custom is the white color or red blue, depend on you that you select. Okay, and then click create. That's this one. And also if you want to change this color, also here just click and change another gray, and this one we use the R and Control. So I will tell you R backspace and Control backspace. You can see the color is different. R backspace and Control backspace. I mean R is the top and Control is the back. Alright, so I change the color is this one. Okay, R backspace, it will change the color yellow, and Control backspace change the blue color. Okay, so today you will know about the function change the background, R backspace or Control backspace. Alright, R backspace like this and Control backspace like this. So here you can click up and down. Yeah, one click, 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 click. Yeah. So color change depend on you click. Another way, R backspace and Control backspace. This one R backspace front, back is the Control backspace. Okay. So understand this one. One lesson to one lesson, you need to remember the shortcut word. Okay, shortcut key for the Photoshop. So now we need to type in the word wish. Okay, so for the text we need to click the keyboard is T, or you click on the toolbar, tool is T. Okay, also keyboard also click T, letter T and click. Wish, W-I-S-H-E-S, alright? Okay. So you select this one and Control T, right? Control T, or you go to paragraph or character. And don't forget, click this one, bold, take out. Okay, sometimes if you don't check this one, you will say, oh, I'm writing the small letter, why become the big letter or capital letter like this? So we call out this one. Yeah. Okay, call this like this, like that. Okay, like this. So this one, the font type you need to change. However, you need to find yourself what the type of the font. This one we cannot, I don't know how to tell you. You need to download yourself if you want that font, but at least you just practice. And the font depend on your computer, or you download the font on the internet. Okay, so there are many, so I just choose the simple one. Okay, this one. And we also need to bigger. Okay, click this one for move the tool or Control Enter. When you press Control Enter, it means you select this one. Okay. And then when you can see one color is the white, right? So you change the color is white. You click the letter E, letter T, or you click on the tool ET, select it, and change the color here. Go to white. And after that, you will see the stroke, a bit stroke, right? A bit stroke. So go to stroke in here, click stroke. Put the gray color, this one, okay, and make more smaller. Okay, it's small, only 2, right? Okay, click OK. So you already have this one stroke, and now you zoom in, zoom out by Control Alt, scroll up and down, depend on you, up and down. Okay, up and down, Control Alt. You press the Control Alt on your keyboard and scroll the mouse up and down. Okay, so we have the stroke, this one stroke, and white color and stroke. And after that, another one is the shadow. Okay, shadow. So you click again on here, click shadow. Shadow, you can see the shadow is more dark, right? More dark, like this. You can see. Okay. Move down, the left or right. So this is color for you, right? You just click on here and move yourself. Move the mouse by click here, like this. Okay, like this. Alright, yeah, that's it. This one, shadow. And another one, you have another shadow, another color. Alright, so this one, the black color, you can put more. Okay. And after that, in the new version, you can add another shadow below by put the yellow color and then move another shadow. But not good, right? Yes, depend on you, but I just tell you, if you have only one shadow, how you do it. Take out this shadow, right? Click, and then another shadow is over, right? Yeah. So I think that with the stroke, right? Stroke or shadow? I think the stroke. Stroke. Okay. So this one, you click, duplicate, right click and duplicate the layer. You have the 2 layer. You see, 2 layer, 1 and 2. This one, double click on this one and you click the stroke, more bigger, stroke, more bigger, and change the color of the stroke, if white or yellow. Okay, yellow, you can see here, the yellow is 100 yellow. And then you can see another one is the shadow, right? So this one, you take out the shadow. Okay. Another one, you take out the shadow. Just see it first. One shadow, and then one is stroke. Okay. So you can see here, right? Yeah. And this one, you just click the shadow a bit small. Oh no. Okay. This one, just click the shadow and make it smaller, like this. And you move. Okay, move the letter Okay, that's it. All right, can you do it? One word, another word. But you know, if you do in the new version, this one I use a new version and your computer will be cannot install and you use another version. So this one do follow me, but if I have another new version, this one new version, right? So I just click on this one and click the stroke. Okay, and add another stroke. Stroke. Okay, I have another stroke. You see? Yellow. Let's click in here. Yellow. And then another stroke. A bigger. You see? And the shadow. You see? Like this. Stroke. Oh, double click. Like this. Stroke 2 times. And then shadow. If you put the shadow right here behind your eyes. So if I put the front, just duplicate the layer and double click on the top, and the shadow is move it. Sorry, another one. This one. Okay, shadow, and you take out the stroke. They put the shadow like this. Move it down, and you move this one. Use finger your key like this. Okay, depend on you. This one just your idea how to do the letter, or we need to put the shadow behind another one. Just fit this one like this. You can see more, and also you can add another stroke like the white color, one more side more bigger like this, and another shadow like this. You can see. And if you see, well, more difficult for to do it, but depend on you how you do it. Okay, when you know and you can do any style what you want. Okay, so you understand about the shadow and stroke. If you cannot do, you need to try again. Example. Good. Okay, I do the simple one. Good, right? Just duplicate the goat, and then you can see one is above below and one is the above and below, right? Okay, and the above. You change the color orange, and then move it down, move it up, depend on you. Okay, can see. And this one the white color, right? You just change the color to gradient color. Okay, how to gradient? Gradient, this one the pattern. No hair gradient in here. Okay, only the color overlay. Okay, this one no gradient. Just change the color what you want. Okay, you can see. And then just put the shadow, the small one, to the white, yellow, But how they not show the color is because you put the multiple lines, just normal like this. Okay. Like this. So I hope you can do it. Thank you for watching, and this one I call reminder your lesson in the take and use the stroke, shadow, and duplicate the layer. So you this lesson you learn about duplicate layer and the background. Okay. So see you next lesson.